Hearing your child speak is magical. From the first babbles to the words, and then short phrases, and then to entire conversations. It's an amazing process. Good and effective communication is the foundation for success both in school and later on in life. While most children begin to speak and develop their vocabulary at their own pace, there are certain milestones that, if they don't hit at the right time, we as parents could be worried. Some children might take longer, some might experience delays, and that's where we come in. When we started KinderPass, our aim was to ensure that all parents can give their kids the best start. So with KinderPass, you can get the access to the best therapists, the best speech experts right from the comfort of your home. It's convenient, it's affordable, and it's completely personalized to you and your family's needs. Here's how to get started. First, book a free consultation for us to assess and to diagnose any speech or developmental delays. Second, book a time that suits you. Weekdays, evenings, weekends, we've got it covered. Do this from the comfort of your own home, and we promise it'll be as flexible and convenient as possible. Third, practice at home with detailed after-session material that's given to your child, keeping in mind his or her unique needs. Lastly, track progress and get regular guidance and support from our team of experts. We are here for you 24/7. In 3 easy steps, let's get KinderPass help you get your child to speak better and confidently and truly express themselves.